I feel like I'm letting go of everything I've ever been through. My childhood trauma, all of the things that have hurt me.
This is exactly what I needed. Even though I've done healing, it's helping me take out any suppressed anger that I've had from past relationships, and I'm just like purging it, projecting it out of my body.
I keep myself busy, but I think a lot of it is to suppress the grief that I'm going through. I lost my brother a few years ago, and I decided in this moment to literally just let go.
I wanted to heal the inner little girl in me. Everything, disappointment, like betrayal, sadness, like everything. I just was getting it out of my system.
I don't feel any different with the screaming. I mean, Raph makes me scream, and that usually helps.
I needed this more than it could have.
Wow.
Stanbury to me is always miserable. And the vibe here is so good, I'm not even focused or worried about that one.
Not in the street! Not in the street, go!
We're gonna go in here.
Oh, my goodness! This is amazing!
Look, there's a bird cage. Get in that cage.
Isn't this how she met Rich?
Bali is safe, okay? But this is all very different from Dubai.
Oh, God, my daughters, no! I feel like I'm the sober mom right now who's taking care of her teenage daughters, talking to strangers, dancing in cages, trying to protect these girls from ending in Jeffrey Dahmer's freezer.
Shall we go to another one?
Yeah, let's go, let's go!
Let's go. Oh, wow.
So this is Sky Garden. They're bringing drinks, okay?
Perfect. Yes, we like that.
Guys, I'm having so much fun! Oh, my alcohol's kicking in. I like drunk Lisa. This is a good girls' night.
Let's go over there.
All Stanbury needed was an 80s song. Finally, the party has started.
I love tonight. I love that we all came out.
I love tonight.